Today's guest, Gundarao from BPCL, convener of Baha SA India 2026, Mr. Ali Syed sir, my co-convener Ms. Lalita Patra garu, and the Baha chairman Mr. Balraj sir, who will be there in under 10 minutes, and most importantly the members of press and media. A very good afternoon to all of you. So first of all, kindly accept our apologies for starting by half an hour delay, because the inaugural program run through or shoot out for half an hour. We have been late here. Kindly accept our apologies for this. Thank you for your patience and being here. So let me start with, as I wanted to set the context of this press conference is, this is Mbaha is an all-terrain vehicle, like a single-seater all-terrain vehicle competition, where students will design their own vehicle, which is called as buggy here. And I belong to BV Raju Institute of Technology, which comes under Sri Vishnu Education Society. So we have been very much forefront in encouraging competitions as such, which gives practical exposure to the students community, because that's what they will gain, not only the practical things of internal combustion engine in this case of Yamaha, but most importantly they will also gain the leadership skills, the sales pitch that they do, because this goes throughout a 10-month round. So this competition starts 10 months ago, and today is the culminating point that we have inaugurated it. And the next 3 days, they will go through the technical inspection of that buggy that the student team has made. Each team comprises of up to 30 students. And this year we have 51 teams across India participating in this particular competition. Having said this, I would also like to quote that, as I said, there are other formats of SA India which runs for example, electric Baha or autonomous Baha or hydrogen Baha and so on. Our student participates in all the formats. The 4 colleges which comes under SBS, we participate actively in that. And the most important thing is here, this competition after going through the what you call strong technical inspection, if the buggy is found safe, then only we send it to the endurance race, or what we call it for a 4 hours endurance race, which will happen on 1st of March at the track, where they have to test the endurance for 3 kilometers. It depends on how many laps it takes around. And then we have scores for it, and we declare the winners and runners part of it. So about Baha and SA India, my colleague, my co-convener and convener will speak a lot on it. But let me take an importance of how this is important in terms of student community, because you not only gain the practical exposure, and after the endurance, it's end with an HR meet, because students who participated here, they will go through a bad test, and companies which belong to this domain of mechanical and electrical engineering, companies come on after, like 1st March is the endurance race, and 2nd and 3rd we will have an HR meet there. So indirectly, they are not only getting an exposure of practical exposure here, but they are also securing a job for themselves. So whatever time and effort, hard efforts that they put in for preparing that all-terrain vehicle, this will give them a practical exposure, and the companies need that particular domain knowledge, which is most important skill in today's automobile industry for that matter. So with this, I think small note, I thought to set the context on this particular press conference. Thank you for coming over here, and we look forward to your questions on this. Thank you very much.